Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification notified every time I upload a new video. So today we're just gonna make a simple video, easygoing video. I'm gonna be cleaning up my to be clean and never messy. I had left it in Texas to get painted. The car on the inside is completely trashed and just disgusting. Like, I'm gonna show you guys it. So I'm just gonna start with honestly doing that. Is cleaning the interior, and then I did get new wheels, so I'll do like a wheel reveal, but I need to get longer lugs, so I'm gonna order them on Amazon because I don't feel like driving an hour from some lugs, because that's where I got some from my 350Z at, and I have the hiccups, but I don't feel like driving that far, so I'm just gonna order some on Amazon, and then I'll give you, oh my god, I'm gonna give you guys a wheel reveal today, and then clean the car, and then in the next video you guys will see me put the wheels on. Mommy. And then I'll be able to give you guys a 240 reveal. So this is what my passenger side looks like just hella freaking dirty. So I'm gonna be vacuuming all this. My seats, I might get new seats, I don't know. This is the back of my 240 right now. I'm gonna pick up like all these, maybe put that in there. Anything that's loose, I'm kind of just throwing them in the center console. And then I have all these in here because I have a whole beam going on. So I'm gonna take them out and might wash them, honestly. So I'm gonna start with cleaning the back first. And then I have all of this mess right here, but honestly I'm gonna really vacuum as much as I can. I need to take out this impact. My daughter honestly moved off in there. I'm gonna throw this out because it doesn't even work anymore. So like those sailing stuff I got from the 240, I don't know why that was thrown from there, honestly. I'm gonna throw all this down. And you guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm embarrassed on how this car looks, because I don't know if you guys have seen old videos of my 240, but it was always in perfect condition on the in the inside. And when I got it back from Texas from the shop that was painting it, they just left the interior completely trashed, and I'm not impressed at all with anything on the car. I'm not gonna lie, like, I'm not impressed at all. Probably gonna end up wrapping the car anyways. So I kind of wasted a lot of money getting this painted for no reason, because it didn't come out how I wanted it to come out. But you guys will see when I show you guys it. Okay, you guys, so I cleaned the back. All of that's clean. It's not dusty no more. But yeah, looks way better. This is still like dirty, but you know, just gotta deal with it. But this is what it looks like in the inside. I don't know, should I get new seats, guys? I kind of want to get like bucket seats, because this one's all ripped. But I really like the OEM style. Maybe I'm gonna try and find a new seat, because this one's all busted, but all that over there is good. And like, my dash is obviously not cracked. The outside's crusty though. I can't wait to show you guys more of like the outside, but I'm not going to do that until I get longer lug nuts, like I was saying, for my wheels, because it does need like kind of a lot of work. I'm not gonna lie, it used to be like decent, but now it's trashed. But it wasn't my fault. I left it in the shop in Texas, and when I got here, it's not it, but I'm happy to have like all my vehicles here, obviously. So I'm gonna show you guys my wheel reveal, and I have one on right now, so I'll show you guys one of it's on, but the fitment is trash right now, so I really need to fix the fitment once I fix everything else. So I did get fish news for my 240. When I originally bought them, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna put them on, and then I was like, oh wait, no, the ones that I have on right now, the white, fitted the car more. And then the the ones on there now are kind of like messed up and stained. So then I was like, you know, I'm gonna put the Vishnus on. So I don't really know which ones I like better. So I'm gonna show you guys one that's on. I'm not gonna really show you the whole car just because I want to wait on doing that. I'm probably gonna honestly go on like eBay tonight and order like the last bits of like things that I do need. So I'm gonna show you guys what I have on there right now. So this is a Vishnu. Obviously you can tell it's like it's a shade of blue, but I don't really like it. For what I paid, it's not what it should be. But I have the Vishnus on right now. I just put these lugs on till I get new ones because this tire was flat when I got them. These wheels, but as you can see, they're stained. It's not even dirty. I've tried cleaning them and everything, but they're hella stained, and some of my barrels are kind of scraped up a little bit. Only one though, but I don't know if I like the white or like the chrome look, so I don't know. Yeah, I'm still deciding. But that was it for this video. I cleaned the inside. I showed you guys the wheels I'm gonna be putting on my 240, and soon I'll be test fitting all of them, fixing my fitment, and getting all the other parts I need. Like I need a side mirror, I need to get my wing painted, I need to get a hood latch, and some of the rubber moldings that are missing. So I'm gonna make that list right now and go order all this stuff so I can get it soon and install that. But yeah, I can't wait for you guys to see the car and see like the Vishnus on the car, because it's gonna be an excited build once it's completely done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.